Welcome everyone, Deronda here with Foods 101. Today I'm showing you how to saute this bok choy vegetable. This is considered a cruciferous vegetable. It's part of the cabbage family and it's high in your vitamin C, your vitamin K, A, your vitamin Bs, magnesium. It's become a superfood. The Chinese have been cultivating this vegetable for over 5,000 years. Very healthy for you. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a pinch of salt, this is optional, 1 garlic clove, and fresh lemon juice from a half of a lemon. Let me show you how we're going to get this together. I just love the way this looks, and bok choy has a nickname called soup spoon because the leaves remind you of a soup spoon. We're going to clean this vegetable first, cutting off the end, just a little bit of it. We're going to tear it apart. As you can see, all that grit and dirt in there, that's what we want to get rid of. If you have the root like this, go ahead, use your knife and cut it off, and you'll see all the grit that needs to be removed from your bok choy. I soaked mine for a few minutes in a big bowl of nice, cool, fresh tap water, and you want to get in there and get the ends very clean. The grit and the dirt will sink to the bottom of the bowl. Once you get it cleaned, it's ready for sauteing. See how much grit came off the ends of the bok choy? I'm cutting off about a ½ inch of the ends of the bok choy so they'll cook evenly. Mince the garlic. Take off the end with the back of the knife. Give it a nice little pop so the skin will remove very nicely off your garlic clove. We're just going to start mincing it down. Run your knife back and forth in your garlic until you get this nice lovely mince on your garlic. I've gone back and forth maybe 8 or 10 different times. Over here on the stovetop, in a large skillet over medium-high heat, I've added the olive oil. I'm adding that garlic. Fabulous aroma from that garlic. I'm adding the bok choy. We're going to stir it back and forth. There's a lot of moisture in the bok choy. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to extract some of the liquid. And we're going to cook this for 5 minutes. Continue to stir. After 5 minutes, you've got this lovely sauteed bok choy. Add a splash of fresh lemon juice. I just take my fork, stick it in there, and give it a little splash, and it's ready to eat. I'm going to give it a little taste. I'll tell you what it tastes like. That garlic smells delicious. And here we go. Wow. Absolutely perfectly delicious. Healthy. That garlic and that splash of lemon makes this absolutely addictive. Delicious as a side dish or just by itself. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos, and I'll catch you lovely healthy people